Kyle and Dan with you here in Big Water, Utah. We just got back from Escalante, a 2-night over trip, about 275-mile event we just did for UTV Off-Road Adventures. Just want to show you some new products here that we got from DRT Motorsports. So here's Dan's going to tell you about it.
We got our new DRT Motorsports hood scoops here. We're matching. Adds a lot of style to your car, so if you're looking to make your car look a little sweeter, not only do they sell these beautiful hood scoops, but there's many other products, bumpers and other kind of things that you can really dress up your car and are quite functional in some aspects. So really good product. Check it out. Well made, easy to install, went on no problem, and we really like them. It adds a little bit of character to your car and looks good. Everybody, when you were a young boy, always wanted a hood scoop. Looked really cool, kind of racy.
Yeah, make it go vroom vroom. Yeah, and it doesn't affect when you're driving. Some people ask me, well, do you see it? Not really, a little bit, but not really. I have a GoPro right in the center, and it doesn't really doesn't bother at all. Still, GoPro's great. And here's Dan's over here. So
a little dirty. We found some mud.
Yeah, so we're real life stuff. We don't do fake shiny stuff. We do it after we do a ride or during a ride. And so this is the real deal. So drtmotorsports.com. You can go to UTVOffroadadventures.com, get a discount under the affiliate program and save a few bucks. But Landon over there is the owner, great guy, great family business. We love him. So check it out. We will see you next time.